So today on Come Try With Me, we're back at the East London Golf Club driving range, and we're going to go hit some golf balls. We're going to start off with some chipping, and then we're going to move on to the low irons, the mid irons, and then the 3-wood and driver, and then we'll end off with some putting. Hopefully the course will allow me to get some footage. I did bring the drone with me, but I'm not sure that they'll actually let me put it in the air. I try to time it so that when I got here it's not too busy, but we'll have to wait and see. Let's go and have some fun, man. Been watching some fantastic YouTube golfers, and yeah, they are pretty awesome. So, and it is a sport. I bought a set of clubs late last year. It is a sport that I've really wanted to get into, so let's go give it a try. Okay, so the range is a lot busier than I like. I always try and get here early. So the putting green is very busy, the pitching green very busy. So we're going to start with the irons. Let's see how we go. This is a 64 degree that I got a while ago. I've never. Let's see what happens. Okay, goes a lot further than I thought it would. Just a little pendulum. Yeah, much better. Falling off a bit because I don't have golf shoes. I've only got trail running shoes with a little bit of tread on them, but not ideal. Do not fall over. Solid. Okay, so 8 iron. It's kind of that mid-range club. Didn't go very far. It was like a little 3/4 swing. That's better. You never know what your golf swing looks like, right? I mean, it always looks kind of iffy. You swing and you think, oh crap. So it's interesting to film yourself. Yeah. Don't film that one. Okay, let's try a 7. It's like the inconsistency in distance is what gets me. In fact, some of them fly miles and others are nowhere. So I hope to get the drone in there, because it would be really cool to get the drone up. But it is quite windy as well, so we don't know. That was a good one. So this episode of Come Try With Me is sponsored by Help I Need Golf Lessons. All right, let's try and hit a 5 iron. Love it when it works, hey? Probably can't see that, but it worked. So we haven't actually done a Come Try With Me in a long time. I was doing a 10K run challenge. I've got to 9. I still have a 10K to go. I did 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K. And I still need to do the 10K. So we haven't done a Come Try With Me challenge for a while. That's why I thought let's come down to the golf course, hit a few balls. Fat and slice. Oh God, that's so horrible. So you know that feeling when you hit it badly and you can feel it in your hands. Alright, this is a 3. This is hard to hit. Alright, here we go. Last of the irons. Oh no. Ignore that last one, that was terrible. I hit quite a few 3s that were fine. That one was terrible. Alright, 3-wood. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, after hitting more irons than anything else, it's time to hit the driver. They always say drive for show, putt for dough. And to be really honest with you, my short game is shocking. That's better. Oh, get in. Nice, we'll take that. Okay, slightly longer distance, which I think is something I need to practice. Easy, right? Oh, it's such an easy game. Seriously, there's no challenge. Yeah. Surprisingly decent out of the bunker. I usually suck. Always remember to rake the bunker. Pendulum, right? Sweeping. Try a bit more right. So most of us probably need to spend more time practicing our putting. I must be honest, I'm not very good at it. I can't even read this. Well, I'll take it. I'll hit it. Oh, good line. Oh, that's almost too much. Turn, get in. Okay, last couple of putts for the day. And then this episode of Come Try With Me is done. It's been quite a busy one. It's been fun. I've enjoyed it. What is this doing? Or straight. Last putt. This is always that kind of weird range, isn't it? Let me move forward a bit. Right, there we go. You get a lot of these to save something. Gotta be aggressive, hey? That's just not reading the putt. Alright, last one, here we go. You know, out, we're done. Yeah. So I'm not gonna lie, that was very intimidating. There were a lot of guys around, some very good golfers out there as well, hitting the ball. And there were two guys staring at me with the camera like, who the hell is this guy? Okay, that was fun though. That was Come Try With Me. Come try golf with me. And the Come Try With Me is kind of evolving from just running. It's not just running, it's tennis, golf, it's cycling, indoor cycling, it's anything that's active. By the way, while you're here and you're watching, go and have a look at our Exploring East London's Beaches series that we did recently, which is pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next time. My next Come Try With Me will be the final video in our 10K run series, which will be a 10K run. I just haven't run for so long that I feel like I need to build my way back up there as well. Did a 9K in Nice in France, which was fine, but if I try and do a 10 now, I'm probably going to injure myself, so that's on the way. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.